I was digging on the street at first, long time, and I wanted to change my life, so I quit everything and started to travel. That time I carried small video camera. That's the starting point of to have experience of film making. My first film making was some music video for television. Yeah, some kids program. So then I made few films for the television. Some documentaries, some like commercials, and music video. So my aim is to be a professional traveler by making film. So one day I decided to quit my job to travel somewhere. Then 1 week later I got an email from some Bosnian guy, and this is the main character of my film. He was a refugee and he lives in Norway, but he feel like he lost something, so he wanted to travel to the Balkans to find something he lost. And so yeah, he sent me this email. So he wants someone to film this travel. So I said, okay, I will come. He found me out because I wrote myself on internet by English. I'm working in Tokyo, but I want to quit my job to travel somewhere else, and I want to make a film about my traveling. So he found me out. That's how this film started. He found another things instead of what he wanted to find, I think, but he found something. I want to move, like I want to travel. Travel itself is my aim, and before I never know about the Balkans at all, but through this travel I touch to the soul of the Balkans. This is my aim: discover places, people. Then it discover me also. I'm for sure I will make it again, but at this moment I have no idea where to go. Same like this film. I didn't think to go to the Balkans until I get email from him. So it will come. I like play music and I like play jam session. Jam session, you will never know next moment. You just get groove and keep on going. So my travel is also like that. You never know next. So this moment I don't know where I'm going. I had a screening last month in Fukushima. Fukushima is a place where suffered by tsunami and radiation. My film touched to the people who lives there because my film is about the guy who lost his hometown by the war. People in Fukushima also, they lost his hometown by tsunami and by the radiation. So they are same situation but different reason, but same situation. And Bekim, the main character of my film, is very positive. Like it's important to know where we come from, but more important is where we're going. So this message touched to the people in Fukushima. So some people watched with tears. So I was very glad about it. My film gave positive energy to the people. Making film is a tool for the traveling. So traveling is most important part of me, and filmmaking help to express experience of travel.